Okay, so one of the issues that I spotted with quite a few people on the homework was 2D part 2. So first of all, in 2D part 1, you'd solved the integral between 0.5 and 1.7 of 5 minus x to the x with respect to x equals 4.49. Okay, now you'd obviously had to work that out using Simpsons rule, so I've just given you the answer there, which you'd already done. So, part 2, the question was to find the integral between the same limits, 0.5 and 1.7, of x to the x dx. So the trick here was to spot the link between the two. So you can see that there's obviously an integral, there's obviously an x to the x in the original integral. So if I consider this first integral here from d part 1 and I split it into two parts, I could say that the integral between 0.5 and 1.7 of 5 minus the integral of between 0.5 and 1.7 of x to the x equals 4.49. So essentially I've just broken up this integral here from d part 1 into two separate parts. Now if I rearrange it, so if I take this over onto the right hand side and take the 4.49 over onto the left, I've got the integral between 0.5 and 1.7 of x to the x equals the integral between 0.5 and 1.7 of 5 minus 4.49. So this is the question in D part 2, isn't it? So I can use this to help me solve it. So I don't have to do it from scratch. I can use my answers to D part 1 rearranged to solve it. Now this is fairly straightforward. Obviously, we integrate 5, you can either stick this into your calculator. An easier way though is to think if you integrate 5, you get 5x between 1.7 and 0.5 minus 4.49 is going to give me my integral. And then 5x, so 5 times 1.7 minus 5 times 0.5 minus 4.49 is what I want. So let's get my calculator. Sorry, let's move that up for you. So my calculator, so 5 times 1.7 minus 5 times 0.5 equals 6. So 6 minus 4.49 is my integral. Okay, 1.7. So my answer, minus 4.49, is 1.51.